Who are you? What are you doing in my compound?
Otika, I have come to warn you. Stay off my business.
I am only a healer. The healer of this great land. I only focus on healing the sick. So how am I interfering in your business?
TK is my servant. Do not interfere with anyone beaten by him. Yes.
God will witness me. If what I am doing is right, I will never stop.
Do not force me to come back here. Because you will not like the outcome. You know.
God of our land, if what I am doing pleases you, please protect me from every evil force.
DK.
Mama! What is it? Why are you running like this? Who is after you? Huh?
No one is after me.
So what is it?
DK the madman. He's trying to harm my brother Dozie.
Gods of our land.
I'm running to Amazingness Hall to call Ezine.
It's okay, calm down.
Since she's the only one that can calm DK down.
Okay, it's fine. So, where are they now?
They're back to the street.
What? You...
Help me. Help me save my brother from the hands of your betrayed DK, please.
Yes.
They passed to the stream. Come, let's go.
Hey, baby, where are you going to? Mama, I'm coming back. Where are you going to? It has gotten to the point where you hear DK, you will leave house chores and run away. Okay. You will come back and meet me in this house. Let me finish this one. She will come back. Why am I even helping her to sweep set? Eh?
Please, I'm begging you. Please, okay. Please, I'm on my man.
DK. The love of my life.
DK, please.
You know it.
DK, don't do this. DK, you're killing him. He's dying slowly, DK.
Leave him. Let him go. Don't worry. Just let him go.
Oh my God. Sorry.
I don't like what you do. I don't like it. I don't like it. I've told you several times, if these people insult you, ignore them. Let them be. Must you always fight? Must you? Okay, I'm talking to you and you're not listening. I'm talking to you.
I do not understand you. You said I fought with somebody. When did I fight? When? How?
Okay, you will not act like you don't know what I'm talking about.
I only went to check my trap.
What trap are you talking about, DK? You fought. You fought. And you bite them and you inflict sicknesses on them. It's not nice. I don't like this. I don't.
My trap caught antelope. Where is the antelope? Where is it?
You know, sometimes I just feel you do these things just to punish me. You do these things deliberately.
What did I do? You are my friend, so tell me what I did.
DK.
Where is Mama?
Don't act like you don't know what you just did right now.
What did I do? Nothing happened.
DK, your mother went to her maternal home and you know this.
I do not know. She did not tell me. I think she's sleeping inside. Let me go and check her. She's inside. Let me check inside.
Ezine, where are you coming from?
Mama, please, I'm not in for your drama, please.
Me acting drama? Ezine, if you do not tell me where you are coming from or who you went to see, enter this house today.
Fine. I went to see DK.
Ezine, you went to see DK?
Yes, DK.
DK, that's madman. Ezine.
Mama, DK is not mad. I will not have you call him mad. He is not mad. Hey. Yes, he might be possessed with some strange spirits, but he is not mad. You will not call him mad.
My enemies have done this one. Ezine, my enemies have made you so blind that you cannot see that DK is mad. Okay. Are you not also aware that DK is evil and he inflicts sickness on people?
Mama, he will
inflict sickness on you.
He will not inflict sickness on me. Why are you doing this? Mama, DK is not mad. Besides, he's not doing that intentionally. You know this.
Whether he's doing it intentionally or unintentionally, DK is evil and he inflicts sickness on people.
Mama, just stop. When he was giving you gifts, he was not a madman. When he was showering you with gifts, you promised him that he is going to marry me. He was not a madman. Even this bead you're wearing, he gave it to you. He wasn't a madman then. Now he's a madman now. Mama, I will marry that madman.
I know now, isn't it? I know. But you cannot be thinking of marrying a madman now. Isn't it? You cannot be thinking of marrying a madman. Dike is mad.
I'm done with it.
Isn't it? Isn't it? You will not listen to your mother now. You will not listen to your mother. Listen, let me tell you. A stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. A stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave, oh. I'm saying my own now. The gods, let them hear me. Ezinne, leave madman alone. Okay. If you're going to see a madman, go and visit Ezinne. All the men in this kingdom, even if he gave me tea, he gave me bees, but now he's mad.
Wise men, please, my sister, she needs your help. Save her life for me, please. She's the only one I have in this village.
What happened to your sister?
We were on our way to the farm this morning. Suddenly, she fell down. People said she's possessed. But I know she's not possessed. She's my sister. Please save her life for me.
Nothing will happen to your sister.
Your sister might be possessed without your knowledge, Ngozi.
A supernatural force has possessed your sister.
When? How? When did this happen?
We don't know how it happened.
Our concern is to make sure that we get this supernatural force out of her before it succeeds in consuming her.
Please save my sister. Save her life. Whatever you want me to do, I will do. Please, save her life for me. Ify, you're weak. May the gods of our land be praised. Ify. Chimo. Wise men of our land, thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you.
You do not have to thank us, Ngozi. Freely we have received this gift from the gods, and freely we shall give. You take care of her. We shall be on our way now.
May the gods of our land continue to bless you.
Let's go.
Chama, wait. Is there any need for us to take all these food items to Ezinne and her mother? And you know fully well that they don't have enough food at home.
There's reason. In fact, plenty reasons. Do you know if she had refused following me that day, you would have been a dead person?
But I'm not dead. I'm still alive.
Bam. Bam! That is the main reason we should go and show our appreciation to her. Let's go. Pico, help me.
I know what I'm saying.
Help me!
I know what I'm saying, you know. Me, I cannot stay without food, though.
The world is deep. Life is a mystery. It's only when you dig deeper you find the answer. There are forces beyond human comprehension. that controls
Who is here?
face of the earth.
Who is here?
Who is it? Onye?
Mama. Greetings, Izine.
Greetings.
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings.
Oh,
Greetings.
Greetings.
Izine. We brought this as a token of appreciation to you.
You shouldn't have done this. This is too much. Don't worry, you can take it away. You need it more than I do.
Wait. Token of appreciation. What are you appreciating her for?
Mama.
Ezine, what happened?
Mama, Izine saved my brother from DK's bite.
God of our ancestors! Ezine!
Please, can you just go? Take your brother, both of you should go. Thank you so much.
Ezine, why do you like putting yourself in danger all the time? Why? And you, Choma, the next time you step your foot in my compound and report anything about that mad DK to my daughter, they will remove your corpse from this compound. Yes. Now leave my compound.
Mama, can you just stop? Is it possible for you to stop?
Mechano!
Mama, please, would you respect? We're not here for problem.
Shh! Mechano! Leave my compound! And you continue going to see that madman. Continue going to see that madman. We have food.
Mama. Mama.
What is it?
I thought you dropped them away.
Why are you taking it? Ooh, we have enough to eat. You will stop going to see that madman. You will stop going to see him, because you are going to see him now and we have food. That does not mean you will continue going to see him.
Mama, you will return that food. We have to return it.
Return what?
We are returning that food.
Upe! Ewa! Ewa! Daddy, make you stop thinking I will kill you today.
What is? Are you?
I'm off to the river. Don't be late. It's about drowned. Who are you? What are you doing in my compound?
Otika, I have come to warn you. Stay off my business.
I am only a healer. The healer of this great land. I only focus on healing the sick. So how am I interfering in your business?
TK is my servant. Do not interfere with anyone beaten by him. Yes.
God will witness me. If what I'm doing is right, I'll never stop.
Do not force me to come back here. Because you will not like the outcome. You know.
God of our land, if what I am doing pleases you, please protect me from every evil force.
Hey, Dike. 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 Dike.
Greetings, my daughter.
Greetings, Mama. Please, where's Dike?
As you can see, I'm just returning from my maternal home. I haven't even set my eyes on him. Where is my son? I hope he's okay.
So, Mama, you mean you have not seen him?
I left him under your care. Eh? Why are you asking me this question?
Nothing, Mama. I will just go and look for him.
I hope nothing happened to my son.
No, Mama. Everything is fine. I'll just check for him before it's too late.
Let me go with
you. You can't. Don't worry. You just came back. You should rest. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. I'll check for him.
Who are you?
Come with me.
I cannot follow you.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Hey! Hey! Snack! Hey! Snack!
What are you saying? That he fainted on the road?
Yes, Mama.
What kind of talk is this?
Hey! Hey! Snake!
Snake?
Snake!
Where?
Snake!
Wait, there's no snake here.
Snake, please don't bite me.
It's just dream, it's just a dream.
My snake.
Calm down.
Please don't bite me, snake.
There's no snake here, it will not bite you. Don't be scared, it's just a dream.
Are you sure the snake will not come back?
No. Just a dream.
I don't believe you, Mama.
How?
Snake!
I'm your mother, I cannot lie to you. There's no snake here, okay?
Mama! Snake! Hey!
Calm
down.
Calm down, there's no snake. Let's go inside.
Snake, oh.
Come, let's go inside. There's no snake.
Snake, Mama.
There's no snake.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Hey!
Let's go inside.
Oh.
Let's go inside.
Hey! Hey!
I need to help this boy. I need to help Dike. I'll help him. No matter what it takes, I will help him. No matter what. I'll help him. I must make sure I look for a solution for him. Let God knows what's going on.
Ezio.
Mama.
Have you gone mad as well?
Mama, I was just thinking.
Thinking about Dike, okay? Listen, Ezine. Forget about that cursed boy before he inflicts madness on you.
Mama, Dike will not inflict sickness on me. Or madness, whatever you call it. Dike is a nice person. Give him a chance to show himself to you. You know he's a nice person, Mama. You know. This will pass.
This will pass.
I just pray the gods just heal him.
Ezine, I know you just want to remain unmarried in this village. So I'll become a laughing stock.
Mama, okay? Nobody is laughing at you. Nobody is laughing at you. Just give Dike a chance. He will be fine, Mama. Just relax and let him... Mama, he will be fine. I promise you.
Ezine, let me advise you. Get rid of that stupid love you think you have for him. And concentrate on getting yourself a sane husband.
He will be sane.
You say?
He will be sane, Mama.
He will be sane?
Yes.
You're just deceiving yourself. Get yourself a sane husband. I'm going to pick vegetables.
I know. Dike will be fine.
The case of this young man called Dike is not ordinary.
But at least you can help me. Let me bring him here. Just mix concussions. Do something. I know you can do it. Let him drink. I know he will be fine.
I can do nothing. I am only a healer. His case is spiritual.
You are a spiritual person too. I know what you can do. Please. Please.
Like I said, I'm only a healer. Just take him to a stronger Dibia.
Okay. Can you please tell me what the problem is? What is his problem? What is the cause of his problem? So we know how to tackle it.
Just take him to a stronger Dibia.
This is Mama.
This is my daughter. Ah, isn't it? Fetch me firewood.
Yes, Mama. Oh, I'm coming. Let me drop it.
May the gods bless you. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Yes, Ma. Mama, there's something I want to discuss with you. It's very important.
I hope all is well.
All is well, Ma. I'll just get the seat. It's about DK. I was thinking, I'm just suggesting, can we take him to Izedibia? He may be able to heal him.
You know, we have done everything. Each time you mention my son's madness, I don't know what to do.
Mama, it's okay. Please stop crying. I'm sorry. I have no intentions to make you cry. I just feel it could be at least a way forward for us.
Okay. We'll go in the evening then.
Okay. I was working with my mother, so when I finish with her, I'll come back later so we can go together.
May the gods of our land bless you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. So I'll come back later. You want me to help you?
No. Thank you.
Noga kala keruanan. Ayunu diri kanna alonon. Ah. Okiri kana bukwa sadari anu. Nkiri kana kiri adu da jira adu da ani azu. Aja kita na manajaya. Nkakita jese nkaku ana mani unu na ekwu nunu mkpumkpu gwa moku. Baka na agbamu anyi. Ana manunu.
Woman, your son is the cause of his problems. Yeah?
What do you mean?
Woman, he failed to keep the promise made by his forefather. That is why facing the consequences.
How do you mean? Dibia, please, is there anything you can do to help my son out of this place?
Woman, you will leave him here with me. In 3 days' time, you will be okay.
Is that all we need to do?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You may not go.
Yes, please.
You're too hard to cast down. Nothing in this world happens without a trace. For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made
Emeka.
is a bond.
Greetings, wise one. Greetings, Emeka. Thank the gods I met you earlier. Today is not a day for work. Sit back in your hut. Do not step out, else you will not return back alive. You will not see the next day.
Thank you, wise one. But if I may ask, what is the reason to this?
To obey is better than knowing that which is about to befall you. For the gods have taken charge.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Sit back in your hut. Or you decided to bring the affliction to his heart. Then you leave me no choice but to destroy.
Some are doom, some bring light, while some bring darkness.
Obi, your face like this.
Why did you not come to the farm? As agreed. You left me there. I waited until I got tired and decided to farm alone.
Obi, I'm sorry. Obi, I'm sorry. I was about coming to the farm before the wise one came. Yes, he was there.
And what happened?
He stopped me from going anywhere today, saying that if I should go out, my evil befall me.
May the gods forbid!
He said
that my husband will see evil.
That's what he said, but I rejected it.
But I don't understand. What does he mean by that?
Exactly the same question I asked him. Oh, he didn't say anything about it.
This is strange.
It's really strange.
My prayers to the gods is that your eyes will not see evil. You will not die untimely deaths. And you will live to see your children. So shall it be.
Thank you, Obim.
My love.
Yes.
Let me go to the backyard to drop this. And I will be back.
Okay, my dear. Obim,
My love.
you know what? Yes.
You know I'm not good at guessing.
I prepared your favorite.
My lovely husband.
Go and dish the food.
Thank you. It is well.
I'm waiting.
Okoma.
Wayoma. What did I want? Thank you.
Obim! Obim!
What is it?
Look!
What happened?
My husband!
How did this happen? What happened to the head?
I do not know. I met it like this.
This is strange.
Yes, it is.
Could this be the attack the wise one was talking about that was meant for me? And it has ended to have taken the life of my chicken.
How is this even possible? What has that thing got to do with a mere chicken?
You won't understand. I need to go and see the wise one right away.
I will go with you, my love.
To pay him a visit.
Let's go. Yes, I'll go with you.
Esme, where do you think you are going to?
Mama, leave me alone.
This is your address. Where are you going to? Come here. Where are you going to?
Mama.
Where are you going to?
What?
What is what?
Mama, can you let me pass?
You're not going anywhere.
I will go.
Go where? You're not going anywhere. You will not go anywhere. Go and get me food to eat. Isn't there?
Mama.
Do chores for your mother now. Do chores for your mother. I'm hungry.
I'm not going again.
Get me food to eat. You're not going again, eh? Can you're going to meet that cursed child. Go inside and get me food. Every time we'll be quarreling, you will not listen to your mother. I know Pama. Get me food, let me eat. Okay. You will go and come back and meet me here. Okay. So what do
Was it what really happened?
Yes, Mama, that's exactly what happened. Yes, Mama.
Hi.
I can hear the DBS staff. Is he coming here?
I did not invite any DBI in my house.
Mama, it's not the DBI, it's DK.
What is this? DK, what are you doing here? And what are you doing with the DBI staff?
Hi. Mama, this is my new stick. I saw it and I liked it.
Hey, you saw it and you liked it.
No, this is not a stick. Mama, I am sure the DBI does not even know this staff is with him. We need to return it.
Did he run out of the shrine?
I don't know. How would the DBI even allow him take this?
This is sacrilege.
No. Why?
DK.
Yes, Mama.
You know I'm your mother. I will not deceive you. Just let me have the stick.
Come.
Please, I don't want to attract the wrath of the gods for you to keep it in my home.
Mama, no matter what you say, this is my new stick. I like it and I love it. And I want to play with it. I will keep playing with it.
I want to take it to the rightful owner.
I'm the owner now.
See, I don't want to incur the wrath of the gods. You cannot take what belongs to Dibia and bring it home. Please.
Please give it to your mother.
Yeah, this is my stick, not nobody's own. Hey! Mama! Mama! Hey!
I think we need to go and see the Dibia. He needs to know that he stole his staff.
My son is not a thief. He did not steal the staff.
Okay. We need to let him know that Dike took his staff. Please, let's go now.
What do we do?
We have to go. Mama, let's
go.
Let's go.
Hey! What is this? Hey! Hey!
Mama?
Where's the Dibia? Where's the Dibia?
Mama is dead.
Huh?
What would have happened to him?
Hey! If people finds out that Dike was the last person that visited the shrine or sees him on the road with the staff of office, what?
Mama, don't worry. I'll go after him. I'll make sure I get it from him. Let's go. You have to leave this place.
Thank you. Let's go. It's a Dibia.
Dike, please, I'm begging you. Please, you need to give me this staff now.
Dike, please, I'm begging you. You need to give me this staff now.
Dike, can you just stop and give it to me? This is an abomination, you know, right?
Dike, can you just stop and give it to me? This is an abomination, you know, right?
Now, if the villager sees this, it's going to bring the wrath of the gods.
Dike, if the villager sees this, it's going to bring the wrath of the gods.
What am I saying? Dike, is this not the Dibia staff you are holding?
Let's just think of how to get it from him. Please, help me. Obin,
The love of my life.
You know I love you so much.
You know I love you so much.
Obin.
Obin. Obin.
Greetings, Otika.
Why did you run me like that? Who is after you?
There is fire on the mountain.
What do you mean?
Otika, we took Dike to the Dibia.
So what happened? Is it getting better?
Dike killed the Dibia and returned with his staff of office.
Aro, this is sacrilege.
So where is he now?
Dike is in the village, parading the whole village with the staff of office. Please, come with me and do something so that he will return the staff of office to the owner, please.
I'm doing something now. Find a way to take him back to the hut. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be there.
If the gods have no solutions for this man, why don't they just take his life instead?
Keep quiet. We're not the gods who give and take lives. Neither are you worried to condemn anyone.
Isn't it? Thank you, my daughter. May the ghost of our land bless you.
Thank you, Mama. I'm just doing it for the one I love.
Love, love, love.
Whenever you're around, I just feel like you're the daughter I never had. I feel everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine with you, Mama. Everything will be fine.
I spoke with the healer and she said she'll be coming tomorrow morning.
That's good news. Mama, just calm down, okay? Everything will be well. He will be fine. I would like to go now. My mother will be waiting for me.
No. No. Please stay with us. Spend the night with us, please.
I didn't tell my mother I wasn't coming home. I have so much to do.
I'll go with you. And I will explain everything to her.
Okay. As long as I'm staying with my love, I will.
Thank you.
Fine, fine, fine.
He is not responsible for the death of the Divya.
Then who did? How did he die?
The force behind this young man's problem is responsible for the Divya's death.
So what are we going to do now?
Return the staff to the Divya shrine. Else, the gods will get angry and release affliction to him.
Then is there any remedy? Please tell us. We are ready to do anything just to bring my son back to normal, please.
There is nothing I can do. I have tried all my remedies and it didn't work.
Let me do it then. I think you need to.
Hey! No! Hey! No.
No. You do not have to go to this land. I mean, you do not have to appreciate us for anything. We did nothing. Freely we have received these gifts from the gods and freely we have extended it to you. Please, go back with your tubers of yam. Please.
No, wise one. This is a gift that came from me to you. From a sincere heart of mine. Wise one, please, you have to accept it. It's a gift from me to you. Please, accept it.
If you insist.
I insist, wise one. Please.
Thank you. Thank you very much. May the gods lead you safely as you return back to your home.
Thank you.
That controls the affairs of the earth. Some are good, some are doomed. Some bring light, while some bring darkness. So many burdens, too heavy to bear, yet too hard to cast down. Oh, nothing in this world.
Otika, how many times have I warned you to stay away from my business?
I have not interfered in your business.
Dike is mine. His body, soul and spirit belongs to me.
He is the son of the soil. I will never stop helping him, nor the people of this kingdom.
I do not care about what you think. You better stay away from him and focus on other villagers.
I refuse to go against the gods.
Then you have me to contend with. I can see you now have wings. Don't worry. I will pluck them for you.
Ezinne will never be at home to help her mother. Never. Ezinne, what is this? What is this? Ewa! 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 Somebody help me! Dike, calm down. Ijama! Why did you bring your cursed son to my house? My son son is not cursed. Your son is cursed. Eh, okay. You brought him to kill my daughter the way he killed the Dibia Okwia.
My son did not kill the Dibia.
He killed the Dibia. I know you will support him. You will support him, I know.
You know I don't support evil. You know I don't support evil. He did not kill the Dibia. You know this year, he confirmed it.
He killed the Dibia.
He killed the Dibia. Even the healer confirmed that my son is not the one that killed the Dibia. You know it.
Wait, healer! The healer is not the eyes of the gods.
Is she not the servant of the gods? Fear again.
No, actually. No, actually. See again. No, nyala.
You soon diala.
No, nyala. If record. Akpe. No, nyala. Fear. Woo. Hey.
Mama. Oh, I don't like this. You shouldn't have spoken to me.
Will you shut up there? Look at you. Look at you. Isn't it? Is it until they kill you that you will leave that cursed family alone?
Mama, I don't like what you just did. You shouldn't have spoken to them like that. Why did you do this?
What did you say?
See the way you were shouting.
Isn't it?
Mama.
Oh, Père, you are deceiving yourself. You are only deceiving yourself. See, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Your mates are in their husbands' houses, breastfeeding their children. And here you are, chasing after a madman that will never recover.
You see that madman? I am going to man them.
Upe! You're only deceiving yourself, isn't it?
Let me deceive myself.
You're deceiving. And where do you think you're going to? Why you?
Isn't he? You know I thought he would hit you with that cutlass.
DK, hit me. My DK will never do that to me.
So if he could not hit you with the cutlass, why were you running?
I'm just trying to protect your brother.
Ezine, listen to me. I am your friend, let me advise you. You better leave DK alone. He's a madman. Leave him alone before he kills you one day. Stop seeing him.
That's why you're here.
Choma. Ewa. Thank you so much for telling your friend the truth. And here I was thinking you were the one pushing her to that cursed child. Hey, thank you so much.
Mama, DK is not cursed.
Yes.
Mama, DK is not mad.
DK is cursed and the whole village knows he's a madman. Isn't it? Listen to your friend. Listen to your friend because this advice she's giving you, you will not get it for free anyway. Listen to your friend. I've heard. Thank you. Because she said,
I came back from the farm. I met my mother crying. I tried to ask her to know who beat her, but she's not saying anything. I don't understand what is happening.
You made her cry.
Me? How? When did I beat her?
Don't worry, let's go.
I'm not going. I'm not going till you tell me what happened to my mother. I'm not going.
My mother is in this house. Let us go. I don't want her to meet you here. Let's go.
I don't know why my mother is crying.
That's why I'm saying let's go. I will tell you.
Isn't it? Leave him. You're not going. Tell him to leave my compound. Tell this cursed child to leave my house.
Mama, what is this?
What is what?
Why are you doing this now? Mama, please, you don't have to do this. You really do not have to do this right now. Please. Let's not go there.
Isn't it?
Mama.
Leave his hand. Leave my house.
I will not leave his hand, Mama. Oh, I will not.
Isn't it?
Mama, what?
If I go to the back and come back, you will not believe what I will do to him.
Sure, let's do this.
I swear by the gods.
Sure, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, I will tell you everything. Let's go.
Then why is my mother crying?
Leave my compound! I don't cover. Mama, take this cursed child out of my compound.
Why did you do this?
Why did I do what?
Why are you like this?
Leave my compound! Ikaku.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We need to go now.
Mama!
Come, get up. Let's go. Dike!
Greeting, wise men of our land.
Greetings, Ngozi. How are you?
I'm fine. Dalo, let me continue.
No problem.
Wait, Ngozi.
Chimo.
Take this.
What will I do with this? Great man of our land.
When you get home, go to the back of your hut. Dig a hole and bury it there.
Is that all?
Yes.
Thank you.
Wise man, please save my brother. Please.
When did this start?
Last night, we were sleeping and he started screaming, my head. I thought he was dreaming until he stood up, until he tried to leave the hut. Then I called out for help. They tied him inside and brought him outside this morning. Please help him. Please. Brother, you are fine now. What happened to you? You ran mad and his wise man healed you.
Get him something to eat.
Okay, wise man. Thank you so much, wise man.
May God be with you.
And you too. Thank you so much. Brother.
Ebube, please, have you heard from Nena?
Nena?
Yes.
No, not heard anything from her.
We need to check up on her, at least to know how she's doing, if she's getting better.
If you say so, we can go and check up on her.
Ebube.
I just hold this way.
Ebube. Take this to Chiabo's house. He knows what to do with it.
Okay.
Uju, go to the backyard and bring the herbs.
Dike, I'm going to see the healer. Please don't go anywhere. I'll be back. Now that you are asleep, let me rush and come back early.
Dike! 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 Come! Dike! Come! Come to me. Dike! Come! Your body, your soul belongs to me. Dike! 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 Come! Come to me. Dike! 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 Come! Dike! Dike! Come! Come to me. Come to me. Come. Come to me. Come to me. Come.
Obim. Obim. Why are you sleeping here? Obim, get up. Stand up, let's go. Obim, get up. Obim. 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 Stop playing. I don't... Obim. Obim. Help! Obim! Obim! Help! Help! Obim! Obim! Help me! Help! Help! Obim! Obim! Help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Obim! Obim! Hey! Go out of our land! Go out of...
Please tell her to leave me alone. Let her go.
I don't know what you're talking about. Who? Tell who?
I don't want to see her again. She is evil.
Okay, I will tell her. It's okay. I'll tell her. It's okay.
Let's go. It's okay. I'll tell her.
She's evil.
So many burdens, too heavy to bear, yet too hard to cast down. Oh, nothing in this world happens without a trace. For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made is a bond.
What is Otika? Please.
Greetings. I was on my way to the bush going to get some fab.
Please. There is something important I want to discuss with you.
Sit.
Thank you. Otika, I had a terrible dream last night about Dike. It is not a mere dream.
How do you know it's not a mere dream?
It's a revelation. I think she wants to kill him.
You might be right. We don't have solution to its problems. Neither to dreams.
So what do we do?
Go home. Like I said, we don't have solution to its problems, not dreams.
You mean there is nothing you can do about it?
There is a price to pay.
Do not be afraid.
Who are you and what do you want from me?
You have to go back to the healer's hut. Tell her she should tell you the remedy from Amanato.
What remedy are you talking about?
This is the solution to your problems.
So, how am I going to get this remedy?
When you get to the healer's hut, you will get your answer.
I'm tired of waiting. You just have to wait small. I think they should be on their way now. Just wait.
Is it true that Dike's healing can come from Amato?
Who told you about Amato?
A woman I met at the stream. She told me that the only way Dike can be healed is through Amato. So I decided to come ask you. I don't know how true this is.
It's a very risky journey.
I don't mind how risky it is. No matter how dangerous it is, I don't care. All I care about right now is how Dike will be healed.
But before you get to Amato, it's going to be a very long journey. You are going to embark on a 3 days journey.
That's all.
Once you reach to Amato, ask for the 3 wise men.
You knew about this all this while, and you didn't tell me?
Amato is very risky. A journey between life and death. There are going to be many obstacles on your way. If you pass, you have triumphed. I couldn't go because I have so many people under my care. And remember, not everyone is human.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Isn't it? You're here.
Isn't it? Today, you will go to the farm and help me weed my farm.
Okay, Mama.
Take. It's not every time you'll be going to Dike's house to help his mother with chores. But you will not help your own mother. You will go today and help your mother. You know, go?
Yes, Mama.
I want to go and pick some vegetables for soup.
Okay.
Make sure you come back on time. I do not want to hear you went to Dike's house.
Yes, Mama. I will not go.
Okay. All done.
Yes, Mama.
All right. Ezinne did not go to the farm. I know she has gone to see that Dike. By the time I finish dealing with that Dike, she will have no choice than to leave him. She will go. Come back and meet me here. Always going to Dike's house to help his mother. She will never help her own mother. Wait. By the time I'm done with Dike, she will have no choice than to leave him. Her mates are looking for a sane husband. She's just going about this village looking for a madman. Okay. Here, Jebata.
You again. Why did you take their lives?
I do not have time to answer questions from one who refused to stay away from my subject. I warned you, but you refused to listen.
God of our land, please protect us.
The world is deep, life is a mystery. It's only when you dig deeper you find the answer. There are forces beyond human comprehension.
I should give you leaf. Leaves. You like leaves? This one. It's your name. Hey. Hey, take this one. Take. You know. Put it in your mouth.
Ezinne.
Nwaanyị onye ala.
Ezinne.
Mmadụ mma. Nwaanyị onye ala okwu ofe.
Ijoma, where is my daughter?
Your daughter is not here.
What do you mean my daughter is not here?
He's not here. How would I know? He's not here now.
How would you know? Ijoma, this morning, I sent my daughter to the farm. Because she has been doing all your house chores and ignoring me. So this morning, I intentionally sent her to the farm. Gave her farm tools to go to the farm. But just for me to go to the backyard and bring vegetables I will use to cook soup. I met only the farm tools on the ground. And her, she's nowhere to be found. And I'm very sure that she came here.
She's not here.
She's not here.
Your daughter is not here.
Okay. You think I'm here to joke, huh? Don't worry. Play.
One on ala. See, play. One on ala.
Whoa.
Eat.
Ijoma.
Yeah.
Ijoma. Where did you?
How would I know?
Oh. So, Dike. So you have killed my son. Leave my son. You have killed my son. Leave my son alone. I don't know what's my son. You have tested my patience. You want to see what I can do, right?
What brings you to my hut?
Your interference in my property brings me to your hut. Why did you tell her about the remedy from Amanato?
I didn't. The gods instructed me to.
I'm sure your gods will come to your rescue.
Put me down. Ouch! What happened?
The face of the earth. Some are good, some are doomed. Some bring light, while some bring darkness.
Ezine. Ezine. What brings you to this spot?
Who are you?
Do you not know that whoever comes into this place does not return?
I just want to save the one I love. That's all I want.
Try to save yourself first before saving others.
For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made is a bond.
Ijoma! Onya, eh?
Nyala.
Ijoma. Ijoma, where is my daughter?
Greetings.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Where is my daughter?
Nkoli, you were here yesterday. And I told you that your daughter is not here. What do you want me to do?
See, Ijoma, if you don't give me my daughter, heads will roll. I will not leave here until you give me my daughter.
Your daughter is not here.
Ijoma! You will provide my daughter. Go stand up and go and get my daughter. Provide my daughter. Provide my daughter for me, Ijoma! Where do you think you're going to?
I want to go and see somebody before you even came, please.
Where do you think you're going to, Ijoma? Where do you think you're going to?
In Apwala.
Where do you think you're going to?
I want to go and see somebody.
Why you not lie? I will go anywhere until you give me my daughter. Anywhere you're going to, I go. Now I got handness on you. Now I got handness on you. Okay, go and take a kiss on here. Hey, now guys are gonna so. Hey, you now ga. Now so gonna so.
Greetings, Otika. Greetings.
Greetings.
Otika, please. Is Ezine here?
What will she be doing here when she's not sick?
Wait. My daughter is not here. Grace Healer. Tell this woman and her cursed son to produce my daughter. Else!
She's not with your daughter.
Did you hear that?
Ezine is not here. Grace Healer. Then where will she be?
She's in your head. It's your head.
She will be in your head.
She went on a mission. All she needs is your prayers to come back home safely.
Oh.
Ezine went on a mission. Ezine went on a mission without telling her mother. Hey! Ghosts of our ancestors! Ghosts of our ancestors! Ezine, you will not kill me! Ezine, you will not kill me!
Go home. Stop crying.
Hey. But how could Ezine go on a mission without telling anyone?
Are you still here? Go home. I said you know encourage her to go on that mission. You didn't encourage her to go on that mission. No, Allah.
Only Cinderella neke kodi.
You will come back and meet
me.
You will come back and meet me.
But
My daughter, please come with me.
No, come with me.
Please come with me.
She's deceiving you. Come with me.
Please come with me. Come with me.
Go, I'll follow you.
Come with me. Come with me. Come with me, my daughter. Come.
Who is here? Who is here?
Who?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to disturb you. Is this the wise man's house?
I know why you're here. The hour has come. Let us go.
So many burdens, too heavy to bear, yet too hard to cast down. Oh, nothing in this world happens without a trace. For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made is a bond, and for every promise there is a price to pay.
Your mother has been worried and sick.
No, I'll tell you everything later. See, okay.
What could be the cause of this predicament?
Nice one. Look, no.
What?
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Guns of Manato! Guns of my ancestors!
Why have you forsaken me?
Why have you forsaken me?
This battle is not an easy one.
Is there nothing you can do for him?
I tried what I could. There is nothing I can do. Take him home.
There is nothing you can do to improve his sanity.
His problem is beyond my power. And herbs. Mere herbs can't cure him. Take him home.
Dike, come back. Dike. Dike.
The world is deep. Life is a mystery. It's only when you dig deeper you find the answer. There are forces beyond human comprehension that controls the affairs of the earth.
How do we find a solution to a cause we do not know where it came from?
I don't know, but the cause of his predicament is generational. His father was a victim of it.
What?
My father told me that Dike's grandfather was a very good friend of his. You have to fight this battle alone. You have to find solution.
Where do I start from? What do I do? Modi and Matu that are supposed to fight this battle with me are lying there unconscious. I have to find a solution first.
You have to fight this battle alone until they recover.
Some are good, some are doomed. Some bring light, while some bring darkness.
Who tied you here?
She tied me here.
Who tied you?
The wicked woman.
Meant the goddess. We have to untie him before she comes back here.
And for every promise, there is a price to pay.
Master, I'm back. Master. She didn't answer me. Master. Master.
Why did you free him?
What has that innocent one done?
Oh, shut up! He is not innocent. You better stay away from him.
And I refuse to see him.
What happened? Are you okay? I've been calling you.
I'm fine.
For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made is a bond, and for every promise there is a price.
Is that what you usually do?
Yes, wise one. Honestly, I am tired. I just hope and pray that one day all these things will just be over. I am tired, wise one.
It is okay. The gods are wise. The gods knows the best. The gods are wise. Remember, the ways of the gods are different from our ways. I believe they will surely heal him. I have to be on my way now.
So soon.
Yes. Little thing I must attend to.
Okay, Pastor.
Take care of yourself and your son.
Thank you, Pastor.
I shall visit again. Greetings, Nne.
The solution to your problem is in Sidida. When you get there, speak to the seer, and you will get your solution.
Nne, please, where is Idida? And how can I get to Idida?
Otika will tell you everything you need to know. Go now, you are running out of time.
Thank you very much, Nne. Thank you.
Go! Go!
Idida is a neighboring village. The seer's hut is the first thing you see once you cross the river.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I shall be on my way now.
You shall be victorious.
So many burdens, too heavy to bear, yet too hard to cast down. Oh, nothing in this world happens without a trace. For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made is a bond, and for every promise there is a price to pay.
Ezine! Mama. Look at you. A full-grown woman. A beautiful one at that. Loving a madman. Ezine, are you not tired?
Mama, are you not tired of this drama? Are you not tired of performing?
What drama are you talking about?
This display you do every time. Are you not tired?
Why will I be tired? Why will I be tired? Because from what I'm saying, I am very sure you have been charmed.
Mama, I cannot be charmed. My eyes are open.
You are not using your clear eyes,
I am using my clear eyes, Mama.
You are not using your clear eyes. Hi. Ezinne, open your eyes now. Open your eyes.
Mama.
Ezinne! Why are my own things always different, Bikonu? Why are my things always different? Is it that I will go hunting that all the antelope will climb up? Did I go to the market, spirits will visit the market? Why are my things always different? Ezinne! Hi!
This cannot happen. I will not let him get to his destination. I must stop him!
It is better you go back to your village. Else, I will kill you the way I killed your friends.
What has that young man done to warrant what you did to him?
He disobeyed me, and he's facing his punishment.
Are you not tired of punishing him? Are you not tired of the punishment? Let him go.
How dare you? How dare you tell me what to do? I am only here to warn you for the last time. Stay away from my property.
I need to save that young man. But first, I must know the root of his problem. This year.
The mystery behind this young man is white.
Great seer. How do you mean?
His madness is related to his forefathers' deception. This deception is made to affect the lives of every first male child of the family.
Great seer. Please, how did all of this happen?
look into the pot.
I have everything I want. Money, fame, power. But there's one thing I lack. And that thing is a threat to my wealth and life. Protection. I need protection so I can do whatever I want freely. I must seek for a way to get this. Yes, I must.
Goddess of the river, I greet you. I have come to seek favor from your abode. May my request be granted a listening ear.
What do you seek?
I have everything I want, except protection. I have come to seek protection from you.
Protection you shall have. But in return, every first son from your first generation till the 5th generation will serve me. And if they fail to do so, I will be forced to kill them all.
If that is all, then I am ready and willing to do it.
You will give me a piece from your cloak. It will live in my kingdom forever. That will serve as a symbol of covenant. It is done. You can go home now.
Greetings, great goddess of the river. I have come to show my gratitude for granting my heart's desires with this little gift. I promise that I, to my 5th generation, will continue to serve you.
Your gift is accepted. Go home now. Go home. Go. Go home.
Azuka, my son.
Yes, Papa.
You are my first son. And as my first son, you will take over everything that I have.
I already know that.
that, Papa. The covenant I made with the river goddess is equally part of it. You make sure you serve her until death, just as I'm doing. It is a sacrifice you will perform 4 times a year.
I've already heard you, Papa. I've heard what you said.
My son, the same goes with your first son. Make sure he doesn't break this covenant.
I will see to that, Father.
Let me get you water. Let me get you water. Papa? 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 No. Father? Papa? Papa? No. No. This cannot happen. No, wake up. Gods of our land. Papa, no. Papa.
Ikenna, stop whatever you are doing. Let us go and get items for the ritual. From there, we proceed to the goddess of the great river.
Papa, you can go to where you are going. As you can see, I'm not in the mood.
You are not in the mood? Now listen, Ikenna, you don't have to do anything there. All I want you to follow me and see how it's done. And remember, you have to take after me when I die.
Papa, take after you? When you die? Okay, Papa, do you want to go there and kill yourself?
No, Ikenna. Azu cannot live forever. One day, I must join our ancestors.
Papa, as you can see, I'm very busy. Listen, I want to go and meet my wife and my son in the farm. And if you want to go to where you are going. I'm coming.
Ikenna. Ikenna.
Yeah, I'm so tired. I hope there will be food at home. Yeah, there will be food. Because I'm very, very tired. Papa, are you sleeping? They go to be here. Papa? No. Why are you sleeping outside, Papa? 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 Papa, madam! Papa!
Grandpa, please wake
Papa!
up.
Papa! Hey!
Grandpa,
Papa, get
please
it!
wake up.
Ogiri no! Amambala! Papa! Papa!
Grandpa, please wake
Papa!
up. Grandpa! Grandpa, please wake up. Grandpa, please wake up.
Hey! Get up! Papa! 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 Ogiri! Papa!
Grandpa, please wake up.
Papa! Oh! Amambala!
Grandpa!
Me, Ikenna. Me. Serve a woman that call herself a goddess. Never. Never, I will never do that. After all, is it by force? It's not by force. I can't do it. Me. be a servant to a god. Be a servant to a goddess. I will never do that. I will not do it. If they like, let them go and do anything they want to do. Let them do. If I'm actually me, but I will never. It's my word. I will never serve any woman. Okay, so yeah, I better not. That's a bad draw. I don't know. None.
I've watched you for years. Now your mercy time is over. If you fail to follow the instruction, you will face the penalties.
What penalty? Chelo, I have told you before to leave me alone. Eh? After all, was I there? I was not there when you and my grandfather had made an oath. And you are here disturbing me. Look, listen. Don't join me with your business. Just go and do your business with your grandfather.
Do not be stubborn. For the stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave.
Hey, you are lucky. You are lucky that you met me in a good mood. And besides, if I would have been younger, I would take you inside the house and make you many things. But let me warn you. What is she doing? Go to her. If you I have got no they will not hear. If they said it is twins they want, I will again. Okukulie kobukulie. Makana imago na onye need no. Amama na see the dike. If they want it, we go to the river, we fetch all the river, all the water, all the fishes, we fetch the water, and we all of us. In short, I talk to them. If they go to the front, they will go to Amanato and tell all the people that they don't want it, and I wouldn't want it all. You cannot run down Umbala. If you run down Umbala, they will hold you. They have three men there. Look. 7 rivers have crossed it. Ha! You think if you want it, no. I have seen three of them. They came, they run. Go and get me food. If you don't get me food, who will give me? If there are 5, 6 of them will run down to the river and they will collect all of. Push it out. Now can't they push it out? Yes. Oh, you can't push it out, you drag it down. Water have overpassed them. If they overpass water, they can turn it back to 6. They will take it to 6. No.
So great here, please. What is the solution to breaking this curse?
The only solution to break this curse is for him to go to the river and travel to the lands of the spirits with the goddess to bring back the symbol of covenants. If he returns alive, that means the curse is broken. But if he does not return back alive, that means the goddess have successfully cleared his lineage.
Great here. I mean, it is risky. It is very risky for him to journey alone. Please, can I accompany him?
You can go with him. But have it in mind that it is a journey between life and death.
Thank you, Gretia. I beg to take my leave now.
Go away.
So many burdens, too heavy to bear, yet too hard to cast down. Nothing in this world happens without a cause. For life to spring, the life must die. Now promise me, years apart. There is a price to pay.
DK, your time is up. I summon you. I summon your body, your soul and spirit. Come to me. Come. Come to me. Come to me. Come. Come to me. Come. 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 Come to me. DK! 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 Your time is up. I summon you. I summon your body, your soul, and spirit.
Come to me. Hey! Come! Hey! Come! Come to me. Come to me. Come! Hey!
Let him go.
Come to me!
He's going to answer the call of the teacher. He'll be back if his chi remains with him.
You say that my son is going to die?
It is a call of life and death. He is going to battle with the goddess. If he defeats her, then the curse will be broken and he will be back. But if she defeats him, let us pray to the gods that he comes back to you alive.
Please, please help me. I don't want my son to die. Please help me, wise one.
He will not die. I know the case is strong. Please, Mama, you have to be strong. Please. Mama, please.
Wise one, please help me. Please help me.
Come. Come to me. Come. Come. Come to me.
Fall on their heads.
confused as you are.
Meaning?
I don't know.
Thank you. Let us go. Let us go.
Let's go! Go, go, go!
My leg! Oh! Ah!
Are you
okay? My leg!
What happened to your leg? What happened?
I can't feel the pains anymore.
You can't feel the pains anymore? You can't feel the pains anymore? Oh, thank the gods! You can't feel the pain anymore!
I can walk.
You can walk. You can walk. Hey, you can walk. You can walk.
Wise men, I want to appreciate you for your efforts so far. And I want to say I am deeply sorry for the pains I've caused you.
It is well, DK. The major thing is you are free now and the curse is broken. But one more thing. You must make sure you bury that cloth before sunset.
I will.
We have to be on our way now so that we arrive at our destination before the sun goes down.
Wise men, may your journey be safe.
Be safe. And may the gods be with you.
Wise man, may the gods be with you. May the gods bless you. Thank you so much.
May the gods be with you.
So many burdens, too heavy to bear, yet too hard to cast down. Oh, nothing in this world happens without a trace. For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made is a bond, and for every promise there is a price to pay.
Isn't it?
I want to suggest something.
What is it?
Don't you think it's time you apologize to Dike's mother? Because you have offended that woman so much. Apologize so that this guilt on your face will leave.
Me?
Yes.
Apologize to Dike's mother? I will not.
Mama, you have to. So you will have peace. Anyways, I'm going to my husband's house.
Isn't it?
Mama?
You better tell Dike to come and do something on your head before he gets you pregnant.
He will do it. Come and apologize.
I will not. Woohoo! Me, I will go and apologize to Ijoma. I will not apologize to anybody. I know Pama. Me. Go and apologize to that Ijoma. I will not. I will not apologize to her, and there is nothing you will do about it. No, Pama. After all, I'm not the one that made her son mad.
You know how much I love you.
I love you too.
We walk together and we eat together. And we smile together.
Everything.
I always love you.
Hey, Joma. Hey, Joma. What are you doing in my house? Get out! Go, please, leave my house. Hey, Joma, please hear me out first. Hear you out how? Please now, hear me out. I have only come to ask for your forgiveness. From where? Biko Zianu. Dike Biko. So I know you have a kind heart. Huh. Just use your kind heart to forgive me now. Biko, you're not forgiving me. Let me know now. Let me know what I'm doing. Look at the way she's sounding now. If it's not because of this, your daughter, thank up that your daughter is here.
Oh, I thought I'm getting in their life.
You see?
I said, no,
sorry, Biko. Yeah.
We are now a big family.
Yeah.
We can now eat together, laugh together, and play together.
You will marry her.
We will. If that is what is telling, we will.
Praise be to the God.
May the gods be praised.
So many burdens, too heavy to bear, yet too hard to cast down. Oh, nothing in this world happens without a trace. For a life to spring, a life must die. A promise made is a bond, and for every promise there is a price to pay.